Hello, this is Jerry from Fighter Solutions. Lately, I've been getting questions from my clients about how to add multiple people at once to basically invite them to like your page. So today I'm going to do a quick video on how to do that. First, you're going to go to your page like we've done here. All right, make this video a little bit smaller. All right, so then you're going to go over here to invite friends on the right hand side. Click that. It's going to pull up this little pop up. All right, all you're going to do is you're going to click this select all button, send 252 invites. And you want to, if you're doing less than 50, you can invite them in the messenger. Otherwise, send 252 at once. That's the people I've not invited. And just like that, 200 plus invites are sent out. So if you want to verify that, you just come back here and click again, invite friends, and it's done. It's that simple. Thanks for watching.